Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making lemon butter pan-seared salmon. For this recipe, we're using 4 skin-on boneless salmon fillets, seasoned with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Season with salt and pepper on both sides. Now, in a skillet over medium heat, add in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Stir the butter frequently to prevent splatter. Continue heating up the butter until you see beds of brown butter forming at the bottom. That should take about 3 to 7 minutes depending on your stove. Once the brown beds have formed at the bottom, add the salmon in. Add the seasoned salmon and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, skin side up or until golden brown. Then flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the salmon has cooked all the way through. During the last 2 minutes, add in 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, followed by 4 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Spoon the sauce over the salmon as it cooks. And to ensure that the salmon has been cooked all the way through, the internal temperature should be 145 degrees. Now get them out and transfer onto a plate. Then get the lemon butter sauce out the pan and pour over them. And to finish it off, garnish with fresh dill and sliced lemon if you like. Now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, lemon butter pan-seared salmon. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!